for now. If you have time, do this. I don't think you will, and I'll add that to the notes. Okay, hello, it's me again. So here's everything. So first you find the mean, so that's all the blue, and I use 4 significant figures. I think that's what the book did. If you use 45, your numbers will be a little bit different, but that's okay. It still works out. So for the chi-square statistics, so for part F, you're going to use your calculator. And the way you do that, I'm going to make a little thing. So you go to your matrix, and that's, I'll zoom in. So matrix, and that again is second, and then the x to the -1, little inverse. And then what does it look like? Go over to edit, push enter. It's a 2x3 matrix, and the matrix you're going to enter, is part B. So 2x3, it's the table from part B. So you enter in your data points. So you should have something that looks like this. Well, and it says matrix A. It doesn't matter what matrix it is, but mine is A, 2x3, and you have your table. Again, I'm just going to do mine smaller. 3, 14. And then you can clear out of that. Go to stat. Go over to tests. And if you go all the way down, it's C. It's the chi-square test. So hopefully that's easy to find. Push enter. And then you just push enter until you get your data. So it gives you chi-square, it gives you your p-value, and it gives you your degree of freedom. So you should see all 3 of those. If not, something's up with your calculator, and I'm sorry. So again, this example is a little more straightforward than the one we saw yesterday, whatever day that was. And so here we're looking at our p-value rather than our chi-square value. And so we don't really need, we're not doing anything with this. We're just saying that we rejected the null hypothesis based off of P. So again, it's gonna, you're gonna have one or the other. So for this, I don't know my significant value for my chi-square, but I know that I want to test it at a 5% level because it tells me over here in the problem. So that's that.